If you could choose human augmentation, would you do it, and to what extent? Well, that's very, very fascinating to me, because we are getting to a point where human augmentation is a possibility. And there's two different types of human augmentation. There's the biological kind, where basically before the baby is even born, we can change its eye color, we can take away chromosome or sort of gene or whatever it is, make them male, female, or take away the fact that they are more prone to a sort of cancer that is part of hereditary in the family and stuff like that. And I think that's really crazy that we're able to do that. Now, on another secondary level, we have this thing called basically augmentation through robotics. So they're doing it for people who are paraplegic, people who have different conditions. But we could have like exoskeletons that basically allow a person to walk even though they technically are not able to walk usually, or even to rehab people faster. And there's also the fact that they use this kind of human augmentation in the army, kind of like those mecha Japanese cartoons where basically there's robots that can fit a human being inside, and they fight the war within the robot, kind of like Gundam, which is a Japanese cartoon. And it's kind of crazy that we are at a level where we can do that. But up to what point would you do it? If, let's say, they could replace completely your body, would you accept the fact that you could just download your brain and every memory you have, every feeling you have, the way that you think and all that stuff into a sort of robotic thing, and basically live for eternity, and people can just fix you like a car, you can just get parts replaced. At the same time, would you have a sort of exoskeleton, or would you replace parts of your body if, for example, you're aging but you would like to be able to move like a 20-year-old, or if you've been in an injury or a car accident or just an accident in general and you need parts of your body back. But at the same time, when they have AI that is placed in your brain, it can cure things like Parkinson's, which doesn't really cure it, but it would make the brain function in a way that you don't have tremors. At the same time, people who have epilepsy and that they have even strokes and all these things, what happens is that basically, you're able to have that, and you're able to do this, and because of that, you're able to have this thing that lets you, how can I say? Well, you're able to basically move better, and you're able to think better, and you're able to overcome the illnesses that you had in the past. And I'm pretty amazed at that, and I'm pretty amazed that we got to this point. Now, is it ethical to actually change someone's eye color or someone's hair? In some ways, I think why not? Until a certain point. If we're taking away genes that cause illnesses and stuff like that, well, it's actually great. It's a big advantage. It's something that would basically help people, because they can take away and eradicate certain types of cancers, and they can eradicate I think it's harder once the person's already born, but if they have those genes. But if it's before they're born, they can alter the people to be stronger. It's great. Now, if we're altering people kind of like with fruit and stuff, where we're adding genes of another fruit, or genes of the fruit fly or whatever, so they can be resistant to, let's say, cold or whatever it is. I don't know, then it becomes a little bit strange, because where's the limit? But if it's to do something good within the means of normalness, sure, why not? You're not hurting anybody. But also, like, we do need to understand that if, for example, we could put some gene of this or that animal and we make ourselves more resistant or better at swimming in water or stronger or live longer, that might actually be also the future of humankind and how they are meant to live. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say on the subject. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.